Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
This is the finished product. I've already sealed the, what do you call it? The stain with this wipe-on poly, and the application was the same as the stain with a rag, and I just spread it all over. So I kind of didn't want to repeat myself again, but this is the finished product. I'm pretty pleased with the color. It's much darker than how we started. The sanding, as you can see, was not perfect. I think this is a really old desk that my mom gave me, so it was pretty beat up to begin with. I just wanted to update the color and make it darker. So this is the final look.